Hey scholars, this is Miss Williams here with a tutorial on Google Drive. I know it can kind of get difficult some days with working in this virtual classroom atmosphere, but I want to help you guys get and stay organized while for the duration. All right, so today we're going to learn about Google Drive. Google Drive is basically a thumb drive that you have on your computer and you can access it anywhere. It's a cloud for Google, so you can store your information for your classes. All right, so let's start on the Google home page. Type in google.com. And you should already be logged in with your school information. Remember, I taught you this in earlier tutorials. Hover over your picture if you've uploaded it or the little symbol that you have in the circle and make sure that you're logged on with your school information. See, my school email address pops up right there, so I know that I'm logged in correctly. Move over to your Google Apps icon and click and go down to your Google Drive. Remember, in earlier tutorials, I showed you that you can move these icons around and put them wherever you want them to be in order to put them in the order that works best for you. So click on your Google Drive, and here you are. This is a great place to save all of your work. Notice in my Google Drive, I have a number of folders. That's because I do a lot of stuff. So I'm going to teach you how to organize yours as well. The first thing you'd want to do is go over to New and click. Right here, you're going to create a folder. So you want to click on Folder, and then you'll give it a name. I suggest that you create a folder for each one of your classes. And click Create. There's my folder I just created. It's going to always put your folder in alphabetical or numerical order. So I double clicked on that folder, and now everything that I do for Ms. Williams class or any English class for that matter, I'll drop in this folder so that I'll be able to share it with my teachers or share it with my classmates if I need to. All right, there's another thing that you can do. If you want to upload a file. So, say for instance, Ms. Williams gives me a graphic organizer that I want to look at a later date and I want to save it. I'm going to go to File Upload, and I'm going to look for the download that should be on my computer. In this particular case, Ms. Williams gave us a first read guide. So let's upload that here. And as you can see, a little box pops over in the corner and it'll show you that your upload, when your upload is complete. Here's my first read guide. I can double click on it and open it. This is just a preview. You can't do anything here until you actually open the file. In order to do that, you'll go to the top. If you're in my class, we had a whole segment of where we learned how to open with DocHub and Lumen. These two apps here will allow you to write directly on the PDF that your teacher has given you. So I would admonish you to go ahead and get familiar with those. Let's try DocHub. So you click on DocHub, and there's your PDF. You're able to write on it. Let me fix that, because we know how to capitalize in my class, right? And once I've filled out all of my information that I want to have on this particular form, I can download this to my computer or directly to my drive. So I click on which one I'd like to use, Let's use computer for now. That's the easiest. And then I'll click download. The download will go into the little corner. And I'll go back to my drive. And I'll drag and drop my first read guide right here. Notice I already have that one in there. So it's going to ask me, should I keep another one? Or should I just update the one that's already there with the new information? I think I'm just going to update the one that's already there. See how easy that is? All right. I think that's all for now. This should basically cover what we've done. You can use these methods for any class that you have. You can open up Google Docs, PDFs, JPEGs, and you can save them all here so that you can open them on any computer in which you can log into Google Chrome. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me via Schoology or email and let me know so that I can help you. Until the next video.